Hey everyone, so now we're going to go ahead and talk about the differences and similarities of Open and SimpleCV.
We got there.
Yeah.
All right.
So first we'll talk about some similarities. They're both two free open source libraries that we can use. You can use as well. Since we're going to be working in Python, these two are perfect because they both have their own Python distributions. SimpleCV is, I believe, only in Python, while OpenCV is in many other languages. So if you didn't want to work in Python, you could create your own CV application using OpenCV and in Java maybe, or in C and C++, whatever you want.
Definitely, I'd suggest actually pausing right now and maybe taking those links down.
Yeah, those are their websites, and you can get downloads there and
More information.
There's tons of documentation on the classes and everything else, all the functions you can use in the libraries. So let's go ahead and talk about some of the differences between the libraries.
Okay. Yeah.
So so why would you choose SimpleCV? And there's if you've ever used Python, there's you type in Python in the command line, and you'll have a little interactive shell where you can test out some functions and maybe save your script later on. SimpleCV has the same thing where you could say, you want to make a quick test, make sure your camera's working. So you could say camera.getImage or something like that. It's very simple to use. So that's why we chose SimpleCV. That's one reason we chose SimpleCV. It works great for demonstration. Works very well with Python since it's mainly only written in Python, and it like the name implies, it's very simple. So it's a good place to start. The functions are very obvious. I don't know, things like that.
Oh yeah.
Obviously, you can since SimpleCV actually is based off of OpenCV, you could easily replicate what we're about to do in OpenCV.
Yeah, you're gonna see. So I mean, it's really that simple. You apt-get the library.
Yeah.
You make sure that it's inside the same folder as your script that you're going to create.
Yeah.
You import the library into your
Import it
into your
and
script, and then you start coding in Python, right? And you can use the functions inside there.
And like we mentioned before, Qualcomm has their own computer vision, which is called FastCV, made for the Snapdragon processors. We decided to go ahead and stick with these open source computer vision ones because you could, say, expand it into maybe your own computer or something like that.
Yeah, absolutely. All right, cool. So we're all set on that, aren't we?
Yeah, we're all set. And we'll go ahead and begin setting up the computer vision libraries.
Yeah, so hook in your Dragon board right now because it's going to be some screencasting coming up.
Mm-hmm.
See you then.